here, and tonight we have another special firework demo for you. And what we have from Santan Fireworks is one of the 4 assortments that come in the 4 Stooges assortment, only exclusively by Santan Fireworks. Now, he's with me. You know him. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro. Which fountain is this one?
This is Drunk Nancy.
Now, you can see here what it says here, right? Oh, my goodness. That's right. Is in all 3 states. Look, she's knocking down the 25th Amendment vodka-fueled cope. 100% false proof. Is this classic? Now listen, there she is. There's Drunk Nancy. Now if we go over a little bit more, she's drunk with power. This is classic. And by the way, there's her COVID mask. These are classic. These are collectibles, people. You want to get them. You want to get them at right away. So performance, red star, white whistle, red, blue, silver crackle, blue star, gold spider. Ooh, look at that. Then we got purple, green, laser crackling. All right, let's tip Nancy over this way. There we go. All right, are you ready to go light Drunk Nancy in the street bed?
Yeah.
There she is. Onward! All right, Sergeant Pyro, let's light Drunk Nancy. There we go. Let's put on a show, Nance. Get it? Show Nance? I like that. Ah. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, the alcohol is kicking in. Ah. Whoa, that is really cool. Look at that. Wow, that was, I don't know. That might have been the best of the 4 Stooges. Leave it to Nancy. BBQ.